It's your time, do it right. Come on, in the day or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try. They can never take your pride. Put them up, you're enough. You can battle through the rough. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. Let them say what they want, but never believe it. You do you, they do them. But love wins in the end. Again and again, you can transcend. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your time, do it right. In December or July, don't be shy, you can fly. They can never break your stride. Roll them up, you're the one. The work is never done. It's a movement, so lead it. Cultivate it and feed it. Let them talk all they want, but never concede it. Stay true, stay zen, 'cause love wins in the end. Let's go! It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. Cultivate, cultivate, feed it, feed it. It's a movement so needed. Cultivate it and feed it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it,